Hey everyone, it's Priscilla from Assist Queen Crochet. Today I'll be showing you all how to create a granny square. So for this tutorial, you'll need to know how to do a slip knot, a chain, and a double crochet stitch, and a slip stitch. I will put all the tutorials below for each one in case you don't know how to do each one. And make sure to subscribe for more patterns, tutorials, and techniques. You can make granny squares as big or as small as you would like to. You can make them into bags, shorts, cardigans, all those things. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, so today I'm using medium 4 worsted weight yarn, and I'm using a 5mm H8 hook. Sorry, I got dark for a second there. And it's a boy hook. I'll link these boy hooks. They're my favorite. I'll put it in the description below. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is do a slip knot and put it onto your hook. And after you do that slip knot, you're going to chain 6. Alright, and after you chain 6, you're going to want to slip stitch into that first stitch that you made to form a circle. So I slip stitch into the first chain that I made, not stitch, and here's a circle that I have now. Now we're going to start off with 3 double crochets inside the circle. Just like you're working into a stitch, we're going to be going inside the circle. So to start off my rounds, I chain 1. You can chain 2 or 3, whatever you're comfortable with, but I just chain 1. And then into the circle, I'm going to first wrap the yarn around my hook, just like we're starting a double crochet stitch. Put inside the circle, yarn over, pull up 1, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now that's our first double crochet. Now do 2 more double crochet inside the circle. Just insert it into it, just like you're inserting into a stitch, right in the middle. So now that we have 3 double crochet, we're going to want to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Also, this is the first round of your granny square. Forgot to mention that. So after you chain 3, you're going to do 3 more double crochet inside of your circle. Alright, so 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet. We're going to do 3 more chains. 1, 2, 3. Then do 3 more double crochet inside the circle. Oops. After you do 3 more double crochet, chain 3 more. And then do 3 more double crochet inside of the circle. And after you do those 3 double crochet, chain 3 more. 1, 2, 3. And then you're going to slip stitch into the first double crochet that you made of this round. So go around there on top of that, double crochet, do a little slippy stitch, and this is round 1 of our granny square. Now we're going to go on to round 2 of our granny square. We're going to start off by chaining 1, and then we're kind of going to go backwards a little bit. We're not going to turn our work, but we're going to kind of just pull back a little bit because we're going to be crocheting into this chain 3 space right here. So after you do your chains, wrap the yarn around your hook and then do 3 double crochet into this chain 3 space. So I'm kind of just gonna put my hook back a little bit and go back into that space and do 3 double crochet stitches. See, so it kind of goes back a little bit like this. 1, 2, and 3. So let's start with round 2. We went into this chain 3 space and did 3 double crochet stitches. Now we're going to chain 1, and we're going to go over into the next chain 3 space. And we're going to do 3 double crochets into this chain 3 space. All right. Now you're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Into that same corner, that same three chain space, you're going to do 3 more double crochets. Feel free to pause if you don't crochet this fast, and just, press play again when you're ready. So after you do those 3 double crochets into that corner, now in this corner you have 3 double crochet, chain 3, 2 double crochet in this corner. We're going to go to the next corner. So after you do the 3 double crochet, chain 1, and then to the next corner, do 3 double crochet stitches. And after you do those 3 double crochet stitches, you're going to chain 3. After you chain 3, into that same corner, you're going to do 3 more double crochets. All right, after that, chain 1. Into this next corner, you're going to do 3 double crochets. Chain 3, and then into that same corner, that same chain 3 space, you're going to do 3 more double crochet stitches. In case you haven't noticed, in every single corner in those chain 3 spaces, you're going to do 3 double crochets, chain 3, and 3 more double crochets. Now we are back to the first chain 3 space that we started with. We've already done 3 double crochets into this corner. So we're gonna, after we do this corner, don't forget chain 1, and then into this corner, do 3 double crochets, and then you're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. We already have that first set of 3 double crochets, so we're going to just slip stitch into the first double crochet we made of round 2. You see, we're all the way around now. Don't get messed up and actually crochet over it. Make sure you're looking, you have a full round 2, and then after that, chain 3, slip stitch into that first double crochet you made of this round. Now let's go on to round 3. Isn't that so pretty so far? I love granny squares. Alright, so we're going to start off round 3 like we did round 2. Chain 1, and we're going to kind of go backwards a little bit into this chain 3. We're going to do 3 double crochets into that chain 3 space, that corner space. And then after you do that, you're going to chain 1 as per usual. And now, instead of just having corners, we have a chain 1 space right in between all the corners. We have a corner, chain 1 space, corner, chain 1 space, corner, chain 1 space, as you can see all the way around. Now, this is where you're going to remember how to do the rest of your rounds. So after you do a corner and 3 double crochet, whatever, you chain 1. After you finish the corner, into any middle space that you have, you're going to do 3 double crochets into the middle space, the side of your granny square, and you're going to chain 1. So into that chain 1 space, 3 double crochet, chain 1. And now we're going to go into the next corner space, which is going to be 3 double crochets, 2, 3, then you're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then do 3 more double crochets. After you do that corner space, chain 1. And now we're into another middle space, or I could like to call it the side of the granny square. Into that chain 1 space, you're going to do 3 double crochets and chain 1. Chain 1. And now, what are we going to do to the corner space? Exactly. 3 double crochets, chain 3, and 3 more double crochets, and then a chain 1. Boop. Now, into the middle space, what are we going to do? we're going to do 3 double crochets and a chain 1. And to next corner space, same thing, 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 more double crochet into the same space. Now we're at another side of the granny square, that little chain 1 space. Into that chain 1 space, you're going to do 3 double crochets, chain 1. And now we are back to the first chain 3 space of this round. We already have 3 double crochets right there. So all we're gonna do is do 3 more double crochets. Probably tired of hearing me say that, I'm so sorry. And then we're going to chain 3 and slip stitch to the first double crochet that we made of this round. Once again, pay attention as you go around. Make sure you don't accidentally go around and overlap, and don't slip stitch to end each row. Just pay attention to where your row starts, or your round starts, and where it ends. We're going to slip stitch to this first double crochet we made of this round. Isn't it adorable? So just to let you guys know what you're going to do if you want to make your granny square bigger. Take this off for a second. We're going to do round 4, round 5, round 6, 7, however big you want, the same. So you're going to start off right here. You're going to do your chain 1 and then your 3 double crochets into that corner. Chain 1, and into each of the side spaces, any of those chain 1 spaces, you're going to do a 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet, chain 1. And into any corner, you're going to do your double crochet 3, chain 3, and 3 more double crochet. Into each corner, you're going to do the 3 double crochet, chain 1. It's going to continue that way all the way around until you get back to the beginning where you're already going to have your 3 double crochet. All you're going to do is double crochet 3 and chain 3. Hope that makes sense. If you don't know how to continue after round 3, please let me know. I can make a longer tutorial, but it's going to repeat round 3 until you get your granny square as big as you would like it. Please let me know in the comments if this was helpful, and let me know what you guys want to see next. And have an awesome day, my crochet kings and queens. Bye!